from the luxurious and environmentally conscious travel of the future. Greetings. Presenting the BYD Motorhome 2026, a groundbreaking invention that blends the amazing comfort of a motorhome with BYD's knowledge of electric vehicle technology. With its sleek, contemporary shape, smooth, aerodynamic lines, and contemporary LED illumination, it is a distinctive design that perfectly captures BYD's dedication to innovation. Inspired by BYD's latest passenger vehicles, the motorhome's ocean aesthetics design concept incorporates solar panels on the roof for maximum energy efficiency. It is both fashionable and useful. Beneath this stunning appearance lies a state-of-the-art all-electric drivetrain powered by BYD's most modern blade battery technology, which is renowned for its dependability and safety. The incredible immediate power and torque generated by two electric motors, which also have an incredible range and smoothly accelerate, enable long-distance driving. A dashboard that combines the concept of a computerized cockpit greets you upon arrival. A large, user-friendly touchscreen controls all entertainment, navigation, and motorhome functions, while a digital instrument panel displays important driving information. Soft touch, sustainable materials combined with metal or lightwood accents may create a modern, eco-friendly space. The interior design is mostly modular and adaptable, making use of every square inch of available space. The excellent upholstery, swivel, and folding features of the sofas and chairs make it simple to turn the living room into a dining space or even an additional bed. Ambient lighting with programmable LEDs creates a variety of mood-appropriate ambiances and adds a luxurious touch. The master bedroom is meant to be a peaceful haven on the highway. It probably has a climate-controlled memory foam mattress in the size of a queen or king. Large windows with automated covers may allow you to wake up to views of the ocean or mountains, even if storage space is buried behind hidden panel walls. This hideaway has all the amenities of a five-star hotel, including a flat-screen TV and separate climate control. The restrooms are luxurious spas. These include glass-doored full-length rainfall showerheads, contemporary sinks with floating vanities, and toilets that might be equipped with a smart bidet. The spaces are carefully designed to make use of every square inch that is available and to include materials that are water-resistant, visually beautiful, and simple to maintain. To optimize sustainability, some ideas even propose advanced recycled water management techniques. The kitchen is a gourmet adventurer's dream, with a large freezer-equipped refrigerator, an induction cooktop, a convection microwave oven, and a well-integrated double sink. The excellent worktops and ample storage space allow you to cook delicious meals wherever you go. A mobile luxury residence powered solely by energy and BYD's unrelenting innovation is the BYD Motorhome 2026. Get ready for an incredible adventure. It is more than just a means of transportation. It is a platform for boundless discovery.